Here's an easy explanation of the Gayatri Mantra. The Gayatri Mantra is a really special mantra that is used to develop our intelligence, knowledge, and wisdom. Traditionally, this mantra is taught to children around the age of 8, and it helps to improve their learning ability and concentration. By practicing the Gayatri Mantra, children's focus becomes sharper, their memory improves, and their overall intelligence increases. This mantra is very beneficial for academics and education. With the Gayatri Mantra, children learn more attentively, remember more, and understand more deeply. The Gayatri Mantra is also associated with our Ajna chakra, or third eye. This chakra is considered the center of wisdom and intuition. Chanting this mantra activates the Ajna chakra, which helps us overcome mental issues like fear, anxiety, and aggression. Traditionally, the Gayatri Mantra opens the door to consciousness, knowledge, and awareness. The power of mantra repetition shouldn't be overlooked either. It's okay if you don't know the meaning of a mantra, the important thing is to connect with the vibrations that occur when you chant it. Over time, you can also learn what to focus on when chanting a mantra. A mantra is not just a repetition of words, but an important tool for spiritual growth and development in its own right. Traditionally, there are 3 ways to repeat a mantra. The first is chanting it out loud, the second is repeating it silently, like in a whisper, and the third is mental, where you repeat it only in your mind. Of these, mental repetition is considered the most powerful. This method works best when you can calm your mind and turn your focus inward. However, when your mind is distracted or sleepy, you may want to switch to whispering. And to maximize the power of your mantra, it's important to have a sankalpa. Sankalpa means setting a purpose or intention for your mantra. For example, you might use the Mahamrityunjaya mantra for health, the Gayatri Mantra for wisdom, and so on. The sankalpa helps to focus the energy of the mantra towards a specific goal. Finally, mantras play a huge role in bringing out our inner strength, optimism, and creativity. The Mahamrityunjaya, Gayatri, and Durga mantras help with health, wisdom, and overcoming life's trials, respectively. These mantras protect our minds, instill positive thoughts, and help us maintain mental peace and balance. Mental peace and equilibrium. These mantras play an important role in overcoming life's challenges and bringing about positive change. Every morning, before you start doing anything else, sitting quietly and repeating a mantra can bring about positive changes in your life and mindset. Many people have experienced qualitative changes in their lives through the practice of these mantras. Mantras like the Gayatri Mantra are not just for ashrams, they can be practiced in our daily lives. With just a 10-minute investment, you can gain health, wisdom, and peace. These mantras are part of your spiritual journey and help you overcome life's challenges and find happiness. It is very important to manage and take care of our minds. We can strengthen our minds with positive thoughts and sankalpas, and build strengths in our lives by maintaining mental peace and balance. All of this is what true yogis do. Mantras are not just words, they are powerful tools to awaken our inner strength, optimism, and creativity.
Om swaha tassavitur varenyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Dhiyo yona prachodayat Om Bhurvubhuva swaha tassavitur varenyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Dhiyo yona prachodayat Om Bhurvubhuva swaha tassavitur varenyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Dhiyo yona prachodayat